In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workspace in Monday.com. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to consider before you remove a workspace from your account. A quick note before we begin. Deleting a workspace is a significant action because it typically takes all the boards, docs, and assets inside it with it. If you're unsure, consider archiving instead. But if you're confident this workspace has served its purpose, here's how to proceed. Start by heading to the left panel of your Monday.com account. This is the main navigation column where you see your workspaces, boards, and any favorites you've pinned. If your panel is collapsed, hover near the left edge of the screen or click the icon to expand it so you can clearly see the list of workspaces. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct account and workspace area, especially if you manage multiple teams or clients. Also, keep in mind you'll need the right permissions. Typically, only workspace owners or admins can delete an entire workspace. Next, locate the workspace you want to remove in that left panel. Depending on your account setup or translation, it might be labeled as a workspace or a project, but the idea is the same. You're identifying the top-level space that groups related boards and docs. Hover over its name to reveal additional controls, then look for the three-dotted icon next to it. This is the ellipsis menu, which opens the workspace options. Clicking this menu is the safest way to access administrative actions because it ensures you're targeting the correct workspace rather than a single board within it. From the menu that appears, choose Delete. Monday.com designs this option to be clear but not overly prominent, so take a second to confirm you're selecting the Delete option for the workspace itself, not a subboard. When you click Delete, you'll typically see a confirmation prompt. This is there to prevent mistakes and to remind you of the impact of removing a workspace. Use this moment to double-check the workspace name, ensure nothing critical remains inside, and make sure stakeholders are informed. If you need records later, export important boards or documents beforehand, or move them to a different workspace. Once you've proceeded through the deletion prompt, the workspace will be removed from your left panel and from your account's workspace list. That's all there is to it. To recap, open the left panel, find the correct workspace, open its three-dot menu, and select Delete. If you don't see the Delete option, verify your permissions or consult your admin. Thanks for watching, and handle workspace cleanup thoughtfully to keep your Monday.com environment organized and efficient.